Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking an epic club sandwich. Okay, so a club sandwich is a wonderful thing, but cooked on a barbecue with a touch of smoke, it's way better. So I picked up some amazing chicken breast and some nice streaky bacon from Porky's Butchers in Honiton, and I've paired it up with beautiful sauce shop mayo. So what I've done with this is smoked the chicken breast with a little bit of CountryWoodSmoke house rub and a little bit of apple smoke just to make it taste amazing. I've grilled the bacon over direct heat and I've made this wonderful sandwich. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting into this. Oh boy, that's banging. Just the smoke and that chicken and the lovely mayonnaise, nice and creamy and rich, is wonderful. That is my perfect club sandwich. Absolutely nailed that. Hope you follow this recipe and give it a go yourself. And if you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, that box down there, smash it. Let me know you like what I'm doing. Cheers.